Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps in calculator on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. Now just select agree and continue and select grant. Now just enable this toggle, tap on got it. Now just enter a 4-digit PIN. Now once you enter the 4-digit PIN, just tap on the equal to button to enter. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now once you confirm your PIN, just tap on the equal to button and tap on skip. Now just tap on skip. Now just tap on this icon to hide your apps. Now from here, just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Then tap on next. Now just tap on enter and select calculator. Now after that, as you can see, you will not find the selected apps on your home screen or on your app drawer. Now to get access of the apps which we have hidden, just open the calculator app. Now just enter your 4-digit PIN. Then tap on the equal to button. Now as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. And this is how you can hide apps in calculator on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.